A very good morning and welcome to one and all. With the blessings of Almighty, today we are there over here for our online series lecture, Mathematics and Statistics. We are working with the factors that is commission, brokerage and discount over here. So starting with the basic concepts over here. So we have present worth, that is PW or P over here. Then we have secondly that is sum due, face value, SD or FV, true discount, that is TD, bankers gain, that is the gain or the profit which banks is getting out, is BG, cash value is CV over here. These are the basic concepts which is required for running of the proper business or a tools for completing certain tasks. So here we have certain formulas. Standard sum due is equals to PW plus trade discount, present worth plus trade discount. Trade discount is equals to present worth into N into R divided by 100 over here. Bankers discount is equals to trade discount SD into N into R divided by 100. Bankers gain, what the banker is gaining out from the business. What is his profits? So bankers discount minus trade discount will be the bankers gain. Even it can be said that bankers gain is equals to trade discount into N into R divided by 100. Cash is known as that is sum due minus bankers discount. Sum due में से हम लोग जितना भी bankers discount है minus करके. So this was the basic concepts which we saw. We'll be starting with the word problem part over here. So word problem parts, it comes that a bill of rupees 15,000 drawn on the 15th February 2015 for 10 months was discounted on 13th May 2015 at the rate of 3.34% per annum. Calculate the BD, banker's discount. So what is the face value over here? 15,000. Rate of interest is 3 by 4. So how you will take 3 by 3? 3 by 2. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 5, 15. It is 15 by 4. Percent. Date of drawing is 15 February 2015 over here. Period of bill is 10 months. So 10 months के लिए हम लोग calculate करेंगे तो 15 February से 10th month is 15 December 2015. Okay. So we are coming towards the nominal due date, that is 15 December. And simultaneously legal due date. So legal due date के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जो भी nominal due date है उसमें 3 days grace add करेंगे. 3 days grace add किया तो कितना हो जाता है हमारे पास 18. Legal due date will be 18 December. Okay. Date of discounting which is being given to us, that is 13th May. The number of days we need to calculate for the legal due date. Now May onwards we will calculate the 18 days of May, 30 June, 31 July, 31st August, 30 June, September, 31st October, 30 November, 18 days of December, because 18th day December is there. So we are getting 219 days. So 219 divided by 365, which is equals to 3 by 5. Now 3 by 5 once if we gets over here, so how many years we have? So we have the 3 by 5 years over here. Now bankers discount we have, that is interest on the face value for 291 days at the rate of 33 by 4% per annum. So 33 by 4% per annum, if I'll calculate, I am having 15,000 into 3 by 5, that is the year. Number of days is 15 by 4 divided by 1000. So once if you divide by 1000, you are going to get the answer over here. It is 337.50. Value is 337.50 over here. Banker's discount is 337.50. I hope that the concept is very much cleared, and the system which we need to explain to you all is this. Okay, banker's discount, what we get is 330. Here we got the banker's discount to us. So banker's discount is 337.50. Okay. Next question. A bill of rupees 18,000 was discounted for 17,568 on 25th October. If rate of interest was 12%, what is the legal due date? So same way we'll calculate. SD is 18,000, CV is 17,568. Rate of interest is 12% per annum. So banker's discount is SD minus CV. Now 18,000 minus 17,568 is 432. So 430 rate over here. So banker's discount is SD into N into R divided by 100. So we have 432, 18,000 into N, 12 divided by 100. Since we need to calculate N over here, huh? Now what happens over here, this 18,000 is in a multiple form. If it is going denominator, it will be divide out. 12 also is in a multiple form, opposite side it will go, it will be the denominator form. And 100 is in a numerator form. Opposite side if it will go, it will be multiple form. Nth term is 1 by 5 years with us. So N is equals to 365 into 5. Why 365 into 5? Because we are getting into the days. So since to calculate the values in a days, what we need to do, whatever the answers we are getting out, that values need to be multiplied by 365. So I have done the same way, that is multiplied this values by 365. So 365 divided by 5. So as per our table, what we say is that 7 5s are 35, 1 carry on, 7 3s are 5 3s are is 15. So final answer what I get over here is 73. The period for which the discount and which is counted from the date of discounting is 25th October. So definitely we'll be having 6 days of October, November 30, December 31, January again till the 6th. So 6 days. So how many legal due dates we have? We'll count this all. So we'll be having the 6th January. A bill of 29,200 drawn on 15th June for 6 months, which was discounted for 28,960. On which date the bill was discounted? So face value is 29,200, CV is 28,960. Banker's discount is face value minus CV, that is 29,200 minus 28,290. Subtract both this, will be getting 240 over here. So date of drawing, what is the date of drawing over here? 15th June. Period is 6 months. So calculate 6 months. Nominal due date is 15th and legal due date 15 plus 3. So 15 plus 3. Be careful whenever you calculate the legal due date. It is always added plus 3 to the nominal. Whatever the nominal due date is there, we need to add by 3. So adding it by 3, we are going to get the value for the legal due date. Okay. Now bankers discount, that is interest on face value for nth at the rate of 5% per annum. The 240 interest of the 29,200 n divided by 365 into 5 divided by 100. Now the same system what we will do, same we are doing over here, that is 240 will remain over here. Okay, division whatever the values are there will be going in multiple, and multiple values will be going by division. So how much we'll get? We'll get 360. Since 365 is in a division form, so 365 will come in multiple form. Simultaneously 100 is in a multiple form, so 100 will division form, so it will come in multiple form. And what we are going to divide over here, so I'm dividing over here, that is 29200, and secondly we have over here 5. So these things we are going to do cancellation over here, and by doing the cancellations you just go for cuttings and all. So after cutting and all, you are going to get this answer, that is 60 days. So answer for our answer, that is nth term, we have this. So date of discounting is 60 days from days before the 18th December. December, November and October will go back, because since they are asking us to calculate before, whenever you calculate you need to go reverse back, correct? So I'm going towards the reverse back, then 80, 30, 12. So how many days we have? 60 days, because this we need to calculate 80. So we have the 18 days, correct? And then again we are adding 30. So how we will do it? We'll getting 8 and this is 4. Total we need to calculate 60. So 60 minus 48. 68 minus 48, how much we will get? We'll get the 12 days. So automatically this 12 days will be counting for the October. So this will be the nominal, that is nominal due date. Now total date of discounting is 31 minus 12. So what will be the date over here? 19th October. So date of discounting what we get over here is 19th October, because 12 days we are getting. Now it is being getting discounted on 12. How many total number of days we have in the month of October? So we have 31 days in the month of October. So 31 minus 12. How much we will get? We'll get the 90. That's all what exactly what I wants to mean and what I need to explain to you all. I've tried to give my best, and I hope that you people are aware and your people are clear about the concept. This concept is very simple and easy to understand. No such difficulties or confusions I think it may arise in all this. But still, if you have any doubts, you may communicate to me. You can text me. Rest will be communicating with in our live lecture. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot to one and all. Thank you so much. Thanks one again to one and all.